Do you want your company to appear in AI search engines? Here's a quick tip on how to achieve that. First of all, head over to storychief.io, connect your Google account, and navigate to Insights. What you want to do here is sort on impressions to find all the different keywords that are related to your business. I'm going to head over to the calendar, and I'm going to choose Populate with William. Put in the keyword you've chosen, and then you hit Generate Content. Choose one of the topics and make sure the output type is full text and that the web search option is on. Insert your copy, make sure it generates some cover images. Head over to the Content Gap Insights, Auto Optimize. Here you can see everything that's being replaced. Go ahead and publish this article to your website, which is automatically connected, and then see the magic happening. 1 hour to create weeks worth of content, where each piece of content will be highly optimized for AI search results. You will see that your company will be mentioned way more often in ChatGPT or Perplexity, and you will get way more traffic to your website. Head over to storychief.io, start a trial. It's 7 days, it's free, or contact us if you want to go through this flow together.